Hello everyone and welcome to my video. Today, I will introduce to you a brand new product. First, please check my full review in the description below of this video.
Hey everyone and welcome to Coaster Empire. I'm so excited to have you here. Now this tool is your ultimate unfair advantage for dominating the coaster market. And in this quick video, I'm going to show you around the dashboard and get you set up to create your very first highly profitable coaster design. Alright, so as you can see, I'm inside the dashboard. We have this gray button, we have this project, we have this coaster AI. So with the front-end purchase, you will be able to get access to 10 AI bots. So we have the summer vibe, the coffee vibe, campfire, book lover, plant lover, pet lover, floral, farmhouse living, coastal, and western cowgirls. So if you want to create your coaster, you can use this sizes right here. So we have 2.75, 3.0, 3.5 inches for circular, and then we have 3.5 inches for square, 3.75 for 4 inches. We also have here 3.75 for circular. You simply choose which size you want to use, but the 2.75 and the 3.0 is best for car coaster. So if you want to sell car coaster similar to these listings right here, you may want to select the 2.75, the 3.5, or the 3 inches. So you can also click this button right here. So this is gonna allow you to also select sizes. So like I said, the 2.75 is recommended for car coaster, the 3.0 or the 3.5. So if you want to use the 2.75, you can click this button here and it will automatically open the canvas, and it will also load templates right here. So I've added a couple of templates right here that you can use to start with, or you can just simply create your own from scratch. So if you want to use the template, you can simply click on customize, and that template will be automatically added in the canvas. Right, you can edit the text right here, you can edit this image, and then you can move the background image right here. Right, you can also undo or redo the the design. Right, now if you want to use the Mockup, if you want to export this one, you can simply export. You can export a single design. So when you do that, it will export a single design in a PDF format. If you want to export this in a gang sheet, you simply select the current design and then you export in a gang sheet. This is going to automatically export the design in a gang sheet, right? So that's how cool this is. And if you want to preview this, you can click on preview, and this pop-up of Mockup will appear, and you can simply select a Mockup that you want to use. So this is the preview of the design, and we have this Mockups right here that you can use. So if you want to use this one here, you can click on apply, and that design will be loaded right here. Or if you want to use this one right here, that image or design will be loaded right here. You can also go to the next page. So by the way, with the front-end purchase, you will get 10 Mockups for the circular and 10 Mockups for the square. So you can go to the next page and you can use other design or other Mockup, like for example this one here. So that will be loaded, and then if you want to use the Mockup, you simply download that in your computer, and that Mockup will be downloaded right here. Right, you can use this one right here, that will be loaded right here. You can also use this one right here. Right,